let's discuss the real cost of self-doubt. Self-doubt makes you question your abilities, quietly chips away at your confidence, your opportunities, and your future. But what if I told you that self-doubt isn't always what it seems? That there's a key reason why it holds you back, 2 ways it erodes your trust in yourself, and 3 simple steps to break free from its grip. Self-doubt is characterized by uncertainty, a lack of belief in one's abilities, decisions, or worth in certain areas or situations. In other words, self-doubt is situational and contextual. And because of this, self-doubt can coexist with confidence, which is about trust, either in oneself, someone else, or a higher power. Self-doubt restrains and limits, while confidence empowers and builds. A man may feel confident in one area of his life, such as his work, but may have self-doubt in another area, such as his relationships. Self-doubt stems from criticisms, past failures, perfectionism, or comparing oneself to others. It's often reinforced by a lack of self-awareness or unresolved insecurities. A key reason why self-doubt holds you back is fear of failure. It creates a mental block. It convinces you that it's safer to avoid risk than to face the possibility of falling short. This fear keeps you stuck in a cycle of inaction, constantly asking yourself, am I good enough? While others take chances, self-doubt holds you on the sidelines, robbing you of opportunities to grow and succeed. 2 ways that it erodes trust in yourself. First, it leads to paralysis by analysis. When you're doubting yourself, you overthink every decision. Instead of moving forward, you stay frozen, obsessing over worst-case scenarios or what others may think. Second, self-doubt fuels a constant loop of negative self-talk. It magnifies your weaknesses and blinds you to your strengths, making it hard to trust your judgment or capabilities. Over time, these voices of doubt drown out the voice of confidence. But here's the thing, self-doubt isn't permanent. It's just a belief, a limiting belief, and beliefs can be changed. Here are 3 simple steps to break free. Start by identifying the source of your self-doubt. Is it rooted in past failures, comparisons to others, or unrealistic expectations? Next, challenge negative thoughts. When you think that you're not good enough, ask yourself, is this really true? And what evidence do I have to prove otherwise? This reframes your mindset and weakens the power of doubt. Finally, take action anyway, because confidence doesn't come before action, it grows from it. Even small steps towards your goals can build momentum, proving to yourself that you can handle the challenges. Self-doubt doesn't necessarily mean a man distrusts himself or his abilities altogether. It often means he is questioning them in certain areas. It's a natural reaction, but it can be transformed into growth and self-trust with the right approach. I'm creating a coaching program designed to help male entrepreneurs and professionals earn more while overcoming self-doubt and elevating their confidence and personal style through a unique combination of mindset coaching and tailored style consulting. I invite you to join me in this journey. If you'd like to signal your interest and take advantage of the early bird pricing, join the waiting list by taking a quick survey. It takes less than 3 minutes, and it'll let me know about your challenges and what you desire in the program. I'll be dropping the link in the description shortly. Until next time, take care.